Bismillah, and brothers and sisters, I want you to consider a new habit, right? A new practice, and that is making dua in sujood and knowing when you are making dua in prayer. So I'm going to give you two places. Firstly, in sujood, dua is accepted. You are closest to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. According to some ulama, you shouldn't do it in fard prayer. So let's accept that for a second. Let's say don't do it in fard prayer, but nafil prayer, in your taraweeh, in your sunnah prayers, right? You should make dua in sujood, and you should get into the habit of doing this. If you have the time, in some of the sujoods in your prayer, make dua. Make the dua in Arabic, right? Make the dua in Arabic. Know which dua you're going to make. Know what you're going to ask for. Find the dua, learn it. Make the dua in sujood. This is something many people have not made a habit. The Prophet ﷺ said, the closest we are to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is when we are in sujood. How can we be so close to Allah and not ask? So you say, Subhana Rabbi al-A'la, Subhana Rabbi al-A'la, Subhana Rabbi al-A'la. Make some dua. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة رب اجعلني مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي ربنا هب لنا من أزواجنا وذرياتنا. Make some dua in sujood. Inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will accept it. It is a powerful time to make dua. جزاكم الله خيرا.